People migrate across the earth. Use the linked atlas to complete the activities below. So you're going to select this blue hyperlink to open up the two atlas pages that you're going to be using. Time and change. Use the timeline at the top of the page to sequence the events below. Write 1 next to the event that occurred first and 7 next to the event that occurred last. Letter A. Phoenicians reach the Atlantic Ocean by land. Letter B. Sumer becomes the first civilization. Letter C. People in Egypt, India, and China become farmers. Letter D. People begin migrating out of East Africa. Letter E. Akkad becomes the first empire. Letter F. Jericho becomes one of the first cities. And letter G. Farmers use irrigation. Now you must put the numbers in the columns over here, 1 for the event that occurred first through 7 to the event that occurred last.